Okay guys, this next product is giving traditional Japanese Gradma healing energy. This is the Tsumura Kusuri Bath Herb. And guys, when I first smelled this, I said, wait, bakit parang nasa bundok ako? So this is a Japanese herbal medical bath soap made with 100% herbal extract ingredients. Meaning guys, very natural, very relaxing, very I want peace in life. According sa packaging, these help with cold body or pagiging lamigin, shoulder pain, rough skin, and body fatigue. Basically guys, parang taong pagod na sa trabaho at sa buhay. And honestly, this is not your cute sweet candy smelling butt product ha. Ito yung tipong amoy na, oh yes, this is healing. At first, medyo shocking yung herbal smell niya. Pero habang nakababad ka, feeling mo, unti-unting nawawala ang stress, sama ng loob, at mga maling desisyon mo sa buhay. The water turns into this herbal-looking bath and suddenly, feeling mo nasa Japanese countryside ka na may sariling hot spring. Kahit ang reality mo lang ay maliit na bathtub at labada sa gilid. And guys, after using this, super warm sa pakiramdam ng katawan. Perfect talaga during cold weather dito sa Japan. Yung tipong paglabas mo ng bathtub. Kaya ko pa pala lumaban bukas. Honestly, Japanese bath culture is different. Kasi dito, hindi ka lang naliligo, hinihil mo rin ang emotional damage mo.